Hello there, everyone. I'm a tiny burst of sunshine in the sky, a baby yellow bird, and I'm here to spread some happiness today. My feathers are as bright as the sun, and my heart is just as warm. I may be small, but I've got a big personality. I love to sing sweet melodies and flutter through the trees. Exploring the world from up here is the most wonderful adventure. Thank you for joining me today. I can't wait to learn and grow with you. Remember, with a little sunshine in your heart, every day is a brighter day.